A new law has come into effect in Austria, allowing people who are terminally ill to end their own lives. Euronews reporter Johannes Plashberger has more from Vienna.
The prerequisite for assisted suicide in Austria is that the person willing to die must be of age and seriously ill in the long term. Two different doctors must then confirm this, including whether the person willing to die is at all capable of making such a decision. The lethal drug will be available in pharmacies. Almost all parties have voted in favor of the so-called death decree law, except for the opposition party FPÖ, according to which it has not been clarified what will happen with the lethal drug if it is not or only partially used. Much criticism comes from the Catholic Church, which is dominant in Austria. The chairman of the Bishops' Conference called the legal approval of assisted suicide the most serious event of the past year. The Church had also announced that it would ban the new legal practice in its own hospitals. The new law was prompted by a decision of the Constitutional Court that the previous ban on assisted suicide was unconstitutional. The government then consulted with experts on how best to prevent abuse and reduce the desire for early termination of life. For example, more money will now be made available for hospice and palliative care, because it should not be up to personal circumstances or income levels what care conditions a person finds at the end of life. Johannes Plashberger, Euronews, Vienna.